How to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching or crashing on startup. So if you want to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching or crashing on startup, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Steam, go with search and go with the Battlefield 2042. After that, you can go with the discussions page. You can go with the community of which will be on the top right. After that, go with discussions, which is right here. And under discussions, you can go with crash. You can search for crash. And here, as you can see, that you will have 75 pages and more. So a lot of people has complained that this game crashes a lot for no reason. So the fix for this is actually quite simple. There are no special pieces of software that you guys need to install, or there is no you don't need to turn off your antivirus or whatever. Actually, it has to do with the anti that's built into Battlefield. Now, to fix this, what we're going to do is simply change the launcher to run as administrator. Now, there are actually a bunch of different culprits as to why the game's crashing. So, it could be admin privileges or even something as simple as an outdated driver. So, to fix for this is you want to go with the game directory for Battlefield on your PC. So, for example, you need to go with library, which is on the top left. And under library here, you will have your games, right? Like, for example, if this is the Battlefield game, in my case, I don't have the game, but for example, let's assume that this is the Battlefield game. So you just need to simply click on it, and after that, here on the right side, you will have the settings option. You can go with settings, and you can go with the properties and go with the installed files. And under installed files, you will have browse option. You just need simply browse, which is on the right side. Here, for example, you need to click on the Battlefield and right click on that. And after that, go with show more options and you will have properties. So you need to go with properties, and under properties, you can go with compatibility tab. And from here, you will have run this program as an admin. So you just need to simply click on run this program as an admin, and then you can go with OK. And after running this program as an admin, your Battlefield will be fixed. You can go and restart, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.